What's going on, guys? Here with another video. Pretty much following up from the coilover install because we got some mods, more mods. So we got the V3 tail lights. We're gonna be putting them on. It would be like really a how-to, not really. We're just gonna kind of do this. We already did it. We decided to record it because we also want, all the memories of this car also getting modded. Just like mine. For me, it's not really just about recording and whatever, making it cool. It's just awesome memories. You look back at the older videos, it's kind of sick where the cars came along. So we're going to be doing the tail lights on Kuzo's car. Kind of already know the process since we did mine. So I'm going to get to it. These are the tail lights right here. Same thing. V3s. So it comes with all your harnesses and all that just plugs in place. So, yep. You guys are going to give it a different look.
And they want to know where to get them at. They can look at our old video.
Yeah.
We got everything in the description.
I'll put it here too.
Yeah.
From high rev, they're from high rev.
Yeah, high rev.
I did notice on a lot of tail lights. I've talked to some people that got them from eBay. Nothing wrong with eBay, but I noticed on their light, this bar, this turn signal, is orange. I personally don't like
the lens.
Yeah,
the cover.
The cover. See how this one's clear?
Yeah.
And the other one's like orange. I don't like it. I think it looks. I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? No disrespect, but yeah, that one looks definitely a lot better. So, cause I already getting started on there. But yeah, it's like how many mils right here? Vic? It's like 3, right?
Yeah.
3 8 mils or 7 mils. I gotta look at an old video. All right. Baby screw.
Take it all the way out there.
Yeah, because that's for the emblem.
Careful, don't let it drop in your trunk.
Is that a Phillips or you got a flathead?
It's a flathead.
Oh, you need a Phillips.
It's already bringing it.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Got it?
It's loose, but it's not coming down.
I'm over here watching my video.
Kind of forgot.
Yeah. And then it has all these little push pins around here.
We got a video of it too.
Yeah.
Guys, if y'all want to.
You want to check it out?
Check it out.
Probably throw up the little thing.
I'll throw it up here.
Yeah, throw it up there.
If y'all want to.
Check it out.
People have been watching it.
Yeah. I know it.
So now.
So just that video got 42,000 views. You got it out? The little Phillips?
I got it. It's still screwed in just a little bit.
Okay.
So, are these loose already? Oh no, you gotta take that piece out.
Which one?
This cover.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we needed.
Yeah, I know.
We just yanked it, the motherfucker.
You're gonna have to take it out because it's gonna pull out the emblem.
Yeah.
Get a regular Phillips. Alright, so once you get those 4 8 mil, which one is it? This one, right?
So.
You can just leave it on there, Kuzo.
Oh, you want to take them?
You don't have to take it all the way out.
Okay.
You just let it hang up there. We're just gonna switch them out real quick anyway, right?
Yeah.
You missed out?
I'm just trying to do it how we did mine. Sorry. I remember these.
Those ones are sick, man.
Yeah. This is No. That's wrong.
No, this is right.
No.
No, it's wrong. Yeah.
Sure. Gotta give it a little push.
Shit, that was more than a push.
This will help it right here.
I think we said that on the other video, we're like, cause we need your help, we got all the tools. I think I use the regular sockets, right? For this one.
Yeah. I
It's
had to
a lot
fast forward it.
faster. I don't know. That's right. Alright, and this is a reverse, I think?
Yeah.
How did this one go?
Well, that's the reverse bulb.
Yeah, reverse and then your turn signals on regular one.
Yeah. Well, you need the harness.
Yeah, the main one. Not the connection one.
Yeah.
Right here. Cool. Got all the lights off.
All lights
Little drink.
Little drinky.
Drink break.
Beverage break.
Yeah, I was gonna say a little drink. But yeah, Kuzo.
It's gonna look
Hey
sick.
man, he's making my video look bad, bro. He's knocking this out in 10 minutes.
No, man, it's gonna be like a 5-minute video.
I know, bro. I was like, man. It took me about half an hour. Well, I got the wrong harness too.
Okay, so we need the wiring harness, right?
Yep.
You need to make a hole in that little.
Yeah, so it's up to you. You can either take off this one, this one. You leave it off, or drill a hole. What I got, drill a hole. That way it's still covered.
You got a drill?
Alright,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, got drill, got bits, got all that shit.
Look it up,
I don't know where's it.
See,
Talking.
the guy talking, right? We got it. One momentum. Oh, I need this battery. G-Walk sponsors. Read the last one. Alright. Just enough to where you get the harness in.
She said.
Easy money.
She's moaning.
A little moan action.
We can.
A little
Huh?
moan.
That's good.
That should be enough, no?
That's what she said.
We'll get this on.
Does it matter which end?
Yeah. So you need to end with this one.
So this one.
Yeah. It should be a male.
Alright. What the fuck did I do with the other screw?
Oh shit. Yours is right here, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I have one here. I just had it in my hand. I took it out. Alright. good? Everything snug?
That's a big ass nasty gap right here. I think it's the wiring.
You want to take it out or?
Yeah.
Check the monitor like that. I ain't looking at the bottom.
This goes back on the thing. Oh, you already got it.
I already got it on there.
That's what's supposed to be right there, huh?
It's not getting that shit up here. Does it match?
A little high. I mean, I could try to get it go like that. Hold it over.
No.
How's the gap at the bottom? Good? Better now?
Better, yeah.
Okay. So now let's check this side reverse.
Oh, we gotta run all this.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the male. This side fit better. Do it on the bottom one now.
Sure.
No, you can put it, you started with the other one. Make sure you're straight.
Oh shit. Check the reverse. Woo, and he got here to got these two. We didn't make a video out of that, but. Alright, hold on, it's not on. Hold on. Okay, we're good. There we go.
You gotta zip tie all this stuff.
Yeah.
That's Vic's department. Vic, how you gonna do it?
I don't have my electrical bag
Motherfucker, you need zip ties?
and my other stuff too.
What colors you want?
Huh? It's up to you. The red ones. Really kind of sweet. Get to it, Tom. Hey, my turn to record.
Boy, he didn't want to get his hands
This boy, look at this boy. Come on, Vic.
Did you take the thing off right there already, cuz? To push it through?
Boy, the big didn't want to get his hands dirty.
They just peeking in there, pointing the camera in there.
He's like, nah, I'm good.
So I'm just buttoning everything up. All the little zip ties, gonna run it here. You're not gonna see any of this because the liner's right here. So, yes sir. 3-3s. Can't remember. I think you hold the brake, right? Hold the brake. Turn on the car, hold the brake. Click 3 times. Something like that. Can't remember. But check them out. We'll probably pull it out right now because that way you can see it. You know what I mean? Then he's also got the sequential on the bottom. Since we're already working on the rear end, Kuzo also has this spoiler that he's going to be putting on. He already painted it. He's been sitting on it for a while, huh, Kuzo?
Yeah, been sitting on it for like 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah.
God damn.
Chris gave it to me as a homeowner gift. I just wasn't gonna put it on until the car was lowered.
Yeah, so
A better
I'm
way
going to put this on.
add to
Should
the,
look sick.
to the
A
channel.
little touch. You got to pull it out for sure right now. Get better pictures for me. Let me give Kuzo a hand here, boys. What depends which animation you want. Like I took off that one.
That's pretty cool. I like it. I'll leave it like that.
You sure?
Show them how they boot up.
Can you see it booted up, Kuzo? Oh, here's my keys.
You good? Just turn around.
Oh. No way. That's sick. Hell yeah.
I got the second animation.
That's sick.
The other one that I have, it like goes a little crazy.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah. And then the third one doesn't have.
I'll rock this one for now and then.
Okay.
Get tired of it, I can switch it.
Sick, Kuzo. Make sure ball everything works. Hit the brakes. Alright. Burn signals. Yep. Yep.
Good?
Yes, sir. Put in work today. I want to take a picture next to you. Damn, I'm probably started to go.
-2. You can see it on white, man. It's too dirty.
Turn on the lights, Kuzo.
I had it on auto, my bad. Can't get tired of looking at that.
Damn. Looks good, huh?
Yep.
We got the whole white and black thing. You get them side skirts, Kuzo. Forget, guys, Kuzo also has this car. The BMW, that's paint, not wrap, baby. Sounds like a damn jet. Let me check. Yeah. You can back up a little more if you want. But you're good. Shit. It's bad. Don't forget you also got this one, Kuzo. I said you forget you have this one, huh?
No.
This is bad, dude. This is a show car. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. So we did install Kuzo's V3 tail lights, and he also installed the spoiler up in the rear of the trunk. So yeah, man, Kuzo's car is coming along. Definitely looks a lot different. So we got both of them parked. It's been raining, so the cars are real dirty. So we got mine bagged and Kuzo's on coils. Fucking sick. Pretty cool. Both of them posted up now. yeah, man. That's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Sauce.